To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Then tap the three-line menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the gear icon next to the search icon to open settings. Swipe up to scroll down, and locate the section called Preferences. Then tap Browser. Under Browsing Activity, you will find the Cookies and Cache option. Simply tap the Clear button next to it. A confirmation menu will pop up from the bottom. Tap Clear. Facebook will begin clearing your cookies and cache. The process may take a few moments, depending on how much data needs to be removed. Once the process is complete, Facebook's stored cookies and cached data will be removed, which can help free up storage space and may resolve issues like app slowdowns or loading problems. So that's how you can clear cookies and cache in Facebook app.